Ask yourself a question today. This will be the most important question of your life. Why am I not rich yet? That person is rich, that person is a billionaire. Why the heck am I not billionaire? I'm asking this question right now to myself itself, right? Why am I not rich yet? What is the difference between a wealthy person and a poor person? Everybody has 24 hours, everybody breathes oxygen, everybody drinks water. What is the actual difference? And why my life is like that? Ask yourself like this, okay? Do they have something more special than me? Do they have more skills? Do they have more knowledge? Do they have more information? Look, each and every single person that has been born into this planet has been given with the most precious wealth of all time, and that is your time. Okay, that's the most precious, and you have a limited amount of time. You can get as much money as possible. You can get as much food as possible, but you cannot get time. You cannot buy time, right? So the rich people know how to invest their time because they know that they have a very limited amount of time in this planet. Okay, so that's why whenever you think the CEO, the founder of a rich billion-dollar company has many employees, okay, the founder doesn't work by himself or herself because he or she knows that the more employees that I have, okay, the more productive our company is, the more money we will make. Okay, so they have utilized their time. If you look at an average person, the person doesn't know what to do with their time. They are distracted, they don't even know what to do, what to read, what information to grab, where to invest the money. Okay, I went to school, I went to college, I went to university, I have a degree, I'm going to a job, I'm getting the money. What to do with that money? What to do? Save it in a bank? That a rich person owns that bank. So the money is of the rich person, not mine, right? So number one thing, from now onwards, you will utilize your time very correctly. Okay, you will not waste your time on bullshit things. Okay, the only thing that you will study, the only people that you will study is rich people. What are they doing? You only see the results, you only see the money, but what are they actually doing? Okay, you can see Cristiano Ronaldo scoring goals, but what is the behind the scenes? How is he training? What is he eating? That you don't know. Okay, and you have to research about it. You have to be addicted into getting the information, and that's how you become rich, because now you are studying the people who are actually rich and not your fucking school teachers who don't even know how, who don't even know how to become rich because they are themselves not rich and they are teaching about businesses when they themselves did not have any business, right? So today's goal, rather your entire life's goal, is to utilize your time very correctly into learning new things from rich people, from a wealthy person. A wealthy person can only teach you how to be wealthy. Okay, if someone has traveled a road, a path, that person can teach you how to travel the path. Okay, judging or like just complaining about it won't help in anything. So your life's goal from this video is that utilize your time very correctly. Okay, don't be distracted by noise out there, by the news, by social media. Okay, be very focused and know who are the rich people whom you want to be like. Have a goal, have a plan, have a deadline, and I hope one day when you look back into this video, it you might think that yeah, this video had the valuable information. Okay, I hope it really goes well for you. Subscribe to my channel, or like don't subscribe, I don't care, but yeah, make sure you utilize your time very correctly. Okay.